Now I gotta move. I gotta move to get you now. Here we go. Here we go. Okay. Arms out. Arms out. Head up. Yes.
Arms out. Arms out. Oh, Daddy. Woo! Ow, Daddy still hurts. Ow.
Ow. Daddy has an ow. And kiss it and make it better.
Thank you. Yuck. Thank you. Oh, it feels better already. Thank you. You're so good. Give me a big hug. Give me a big hug. Oh! 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 Give me a kiss.
You guys gonna do it again, or is Daddy's cramped foot too cramped?
You want to do it again? Can I fly again? Okay, wait a second. Let me make sure I can do this without... Ready? Blast off! Woo!
Whoa!
Okay, arms out.
Oh, that's good, sweetheart. Arms out. Yeah!
Uh-oh. I think I'm stuck. I don't think... Whoa!
Eleanor, Eleanor, who's that? Who's that? Who's this? Who's that? Baby, that's right. Oh, you're so sweet. Okay, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Yes, that's right. Had to say that, huh? Can you say Eleanor?
Baby.
Yeah, baby. You're getting too close, sweetie. You're getting too close. You're getting too close. Oh, no. Let's move you away here. Oh, no, you're getting too close. There we go. Okay, say bye-bye now. Bye-bye.